Hello, wonderful students at home. How are you doing? Hope you are staying safe. Please don't forget to do signatures or stay safe. And also wash your hands with soap and water. Today, my name is Ms. Kate I'll be taking the subject mathematics. Today's topic will be discussing average. Our last week video we discussed graphical representation of data. How you can use graph to represent a given set of data. We discussed three different kinds of graph, which is the pictogram, the bar chart, and the pie chart. The difference between these three graphs are the pictogram will represent data using pictures, different kind of pictures. And the bar chart is represented by a rectangular bar against the data against the frequency. The pie chart is a circular pie that is also used to present data with given angle, where the data will be divided into sectors, and each sector represents an angle of to sum up the pie chart equals to 360 degrees. Today we'll be discussing average, where we're going to calculate mean, median, and mode. Let's look at our lesson objectives for today. At the end of this class, the student should be able to calculate mean of a certain set or a given set of data, calculate median of a given set of data, and thirdly, calculate the mode of a given set of data. The term average refers to the middle or central point. Middle or central point. In mathematics, it refers to a number that is a typical representation of a group or a group of numbers or data set. Numbers that represent a group of numbers or data. That is a number that represents a group of given data or the numbers that represent a group of information. That is the average. And this average is divided into three. We'll be discussing the mean, the mode, and the median. So the first one we'll be discussing mean. Mean is the average of the numbers. The average of the numbers is termed mean. Mean is the average of the numbers. To calculate the mean is equals to the sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Sum of terms divided by numbers of terms. So you sum all the given data or all the given numbers, you divide it with the numbers of terms. Sum of the terms divided by numbers of terms. Example, in a test out of 40, the marks of 15 students were 31, 18, 6, 26, 36, 24, 23, 14, 29, 28, 32, 9, 11, 22, and 21. In a test of 40, the marks of 15 students were 31, 18, 6, 26, 36, 24, 23, 14, 29, 28, 32, 9, 11, 22, and 21. Number one question, calculate the mean mark for the test. Calculate the mean mark for the test. Mean again is equals to the sum of terms divided by the number of terms. Sum means addition of all the terms divided by the numbers of the terms. Solution. Calculate the mean mark for the test. Solution. Mean is equals to the sum of all the marks, which is 31 plus 18 plus 6 plus 26 plus 36 plus 24 plus 23 plus 14 plus 29 plus 28 plus 32 plus 9 plus 11 plus 22 plus 21 divided by the numbers of the marks. The counting of these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 divided by 15. Mean is equals to the addition of all these numbers is equals to 330 divided by 15. And 15 divided by 330 will give us 22. The mean mark is 22. The mean mark for the test of 15 students is 22. Now, question number 2, express the mean mark as a percentage. Express the mean mark as a percentage. Express the mean mark as a percentage. Solution: the sum of marks is equal to 330. The addition of all the marks given is equal to 320. And our mean is equal to 22. Percentage is equal to mean divided by sum of marks times 100. Mean divided by sum of marks times 100. Percentage is equal to mean, which is 22, divided by 330 times 100 over 1. Mean is equal to 22, divided by the sum of marks 330 times 100 over 1. 0 will cancel 0. 11 in 22 will give us 2. 11 in 33 will give us 3. 2 times 10 is 20. And 20 divided by 3 will be left, we will have 6.67%. So the mean mark as a percentage is equal to 6.67%. Moving on to the mode. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. The mode is the number that appears most in a data set. The mode is the number that occurs most in a given set of information, in a given set of number. And the modes can be one, or can be more than one, or there will be no mode at all. The mode can be one, or can be more than one, or there is no mode at all. The mode is the number that appears most or that occurs most in a given set of data. Example: find the mode or modes of the following set of numbers. Find the mode or the modes of the following set of numbers. Number 1, we have 6, 6, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10. From our question, 6 is occurring twice, 8 is occurring once, 9 is occurring 3 times, and 10 occurs once. So the mode is the most occurred number. So the one that occurs most is 9 because it occurs 3 times, or it appears 3 times in the information given. So our mode is equal to 9. Number 2, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is occurring 3. 3 is occurring 5 times. We have 1, 2, 4 is occurring 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is occurring 5 times. 1, 2, 6 is occurring 2 times. 1, 2, 7 is occurring 2 times. Given this information, you need to construct a frequency table for you to be able to know the mode. Sometimes it can give you many numbers or many data, like 50, 100. For you to really know the mode, you need to construct a frequency table. So let's construct our own frequency table. Solution: draw a frequency table. 3. Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number 3 appears 5 times. Number 4 appears 2 times. The number 5 appears sorry. Number 5 appears 5 times. The number 6 appears 2 times. The number 7 appears 2 times. And we have a total of 16 frequency from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 16 frequency because number 3 appears 4 times, it's occurring 5 times. Number 4 is occurring 2 times. Number 5 is occurring 5 times. Number 6 is occurring 2 times. Number 7 is occurring twice. And from our frequency table, you can be able to detect the mode. From our frequency table, where that number 3 has 5 frequency and number 5 is having also 5 frequency. So the greatest frequency in the frequency table is 5. And we have two numbers that have 5, which is 3 and 5. So two numbers have this frequency, which is 3 and 5. So our modes will be 3 and 5. So in this question, we are having two modes, which is 3 and 5. And sometimes in a given data, you might not have any mode at all. Please don't forget that. We'll move ahead to the next one, which is the median. The median is the middle number in a sorted ascending or descending. I think that again. The median is the middle number in a sorted ascending or descending of list of numbers and can be more descriptive of that data set than the average. These are numbers that can already be sorted as either in ascending or descending order, and can be more descriptive in a set of data. You can as well count from the front and also count from the back to get the middle value or the middle number of the given data or the given information. Let's have an example of it. We have example. Arrange each set of numbers in order of size and find the median. Arrange each set of numbers in order of size and find the median. We have the numbers to be 21, 25, 31, 28, 22, 29, 24, and 30. 21, 25, 31, 28, 22, 29, 24, and 30. Solution. We arrange from the lowest to the highest. From the lowest to the highest, we have 21 as the least value, followed by 22, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30, and 31. For us to find the middle number, we have to count from the back and also from the front. From the front, 21 is the first number. From the back, 31 is the first number. From the front, 22 is the second number. From the back, 30 is the second number. From the also from 24 is the third, 29 is the third. So we are left with two numbers, which is 25 and 28 as the middle numbers. And this 25 and 28, for us to get the exact middle number, we need to sum it up together. 25 plus 28 to get the mean value, which is 25 plus 28 divided by 2. From this given information, we have 8 numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the reason why we're having two values at the middle. As though we have an odd number, we have the mean value at the middle. Since it's an even number, we're having two numbers at the middle, which is 25 and 28. For us to get the mean, we need to, for us to get the median, we need to use the mean of the two numbers, that is 25 and 28, divided by 2, which is the mean of these two to get the median or to get the middle number. 25 plus 28 is equal to 53 divided by 2. And 2 divided by 53 means we are having 26.5. And when we approximate it, we have 27. 27 is the middle number of all these numbers. 27 is the middle number of all these numbers that are given, the number given to us. So we want to find the middle number. Like I said earlier on, assuming we have an odd number, we can get the middle number easily. But since we are having an even number, we are left with two numbers standing at the middle. So for us to get the exact middle number, we need to add 25 plus 28 divided by 2, which is 26.5. And when approximated, it equals to 27. Let's move ahead. We go to the range. range. The range, in statistics, the range of a set of data is the difference between the largest and the smallest value. The range is the difference between the largest and the smallest value. In a given set of data, when you're asked to find the range, you need to look for the largest number, you subtract it with the smallest number. The largest number, the difference between the largest number and the smallest value. Example, a dice was thrown 12 times and the scores were 2, 1, 6, 3, 6, 2, 4, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5. A dice was thrown 12 times and the scores were 2, 1, 6, 3, 6, 2, 4, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5. And question number 1 says, what is the mother score? Mother score is the number that appears most. The number that appears most frequently. The number that occurs most. From the given set of data, we find out that in all this number, 6 is appearing twice or is occurring twice, 3 is also occurring twice, 2 is occurring twice, 1 occurs once, or we are left with 5. 5 is occurring 3 times, which is 1, 2, and 3. So the mother score is equals to 5. Number 2, find the range. The range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. The largest number here is 6, and the least number here is 1. The largest number is 6, and the least number or the smallest number is 1. So the difference between the largest number is 6 minus 5, and range is equals to 5. Let us see more examples on median, mean, mode, and range. Examples: Johnson did 10 tests in English dictation, and his marks were as follows: 70, 50, 60, 75, 30, 65, 60, 40, 78, and 80. Johnson did 10 tests in English dictation, and his marks were as follows: 70, 50, 60, 75, 30, 65, 60, 40, 78, and 80. Question number 1, find his mean mark. Question number 2, find his median mark. Question number 3, find his modal mark. This will be doing together because I know we treated mean, median, and mode. Mean is the average number, median is the middle number of a given set of data, and mode is the number occurring most frequently in a given set of data. So I believe we'll be treating this example together. Number 1, we arrange the mark in ascending order. These are the marks given to us, so we arrange them in ascending order from the lowest to the highest. We have 30 as the lowest, and we have 80 as the highest. So we arrange it from the lowest to the highest. 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 65, 70, 75, 78, 80. And mean is equal to sum of all the values divided by number of values. The sum of all these values, which is 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 60 plus 65 plus 70 plus 75 plus 78 plus 80 divided by 10. That is number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the sum of all the values divided by numbers of values. When we add all these values together, is equals to 608 divided by 10. And 10 divided by 608, we have is equals to 60.8. From the question and the arrangement, for us to get the median, we count from the middle number, we count from the back, and also from the front. We have 10 number. So we're having two numbers same at the middle. So we have to find the mean of the two numbers to get the exact middle or median. So now we count from the back and the front. This is one, this is also one, this is two, this is two, this is three, this is three, this is four, this is four. So we are left with 5, 5, which is 60 and 65. To get the median or the middle number, we need to add these two together, divide it by 2. We are need to add the find. We need to look for the mean of 60 and 65 to get the median. That is 60 plus 65 divided by 2. And 60 plus 65 is equal to 125. And 2 divided by 125 is equal to 62.5. So when we approximate this, will have 63 as the middle number. Now the next question goes, find the modal mark. The same thing as saying find the mode. From this, we know from the arrangement of the given mark, we find that we observe or we notice that 60 is occurring twice and every other number is occurred once, but 60 occurs twice. So the modal mark is 60. That is the most frequency. So we've come to the end of today, and I believe that you'll be able to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, and also the range. And you can be able to detect or know the difference between the averages. That is the median, the mode, the mean, and range. And your notes have been uploaded in the school website, and also assignment has been given. This is our 11 videos. So please, if you are seeing this video and you've not seen other videos, you need to go back and watch other videos and also be able to do all the assignments given to you. If there is any question you need to ask Ms. Catherine, you can send your question via WhatsApp and your questions will be attended to. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you.